Love it, love it, love it. Oh, by the way, me and the cursor are live together. Almost to the end. I don't really like that one. I'm probably gonna delete it. So I'm glad I made this. This one was cool. That was looks orange as a carrot, man. That's crazy. Stunning photography, or whatever you call it. Cinematography. Oh, I just figured out how to zoom while video bypass the touchpad. When it kind of looks like somebody talking on a phone. See right there? Really looks like it in 3D. Those were just sheets. This is sick. Oh, look at that. That's a gangster ass picture. Oh, I can't wait for my lenses in the eye.